এসো বন্ধুরা, আজ আমরা শিখব ছবি দেখে ইংরেজি বর্ণমালা। A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jeep. K for keyboard. L for leaf. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for papaya. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sunflower. T for toy. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.